In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel into Smartsheet. This is a simple, reliable way to bring your existing spreadsheets into Smartsheet so you can start managing and collaborating right away. Start on your Smartsheet homepage. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Start a New Project, or simply use the plus icon. This panel is where you create new items and manage files and workspaces, so it's the perfect place to begin an import. Inside that panel, scroll slightly until you see the Import option. Click Import, then choose Microsoft Excel and CSV. This tells Smartsheet you're bringing in a file from your computer, and it supports common spreadsheet formats, so there's no need to convert anything ahead of time. After you select that option, Smartsheet may take a few seconds to prepare your workspace. When the prompt appears, click Select and locate the Excel file on your computer. If you downloaded it recently, the Downloads folder is a good place to check. Choose the file and click Open. A quick tip here: make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers in the first row and that there aren't any extra blank header rows. That helps Smartsheet read your data cleanly. Smartsheet will begin loading the file. When that finishes, click Continue. You'll now see a preview of your data exactly as it will appear. This is your chance to double-check that columns and rows look correct. You can rename the new sheet to something descriptive, which makes it easier to find later. You can also choose your primary column. The primary column is special in Smartsheet. It's the main identifier for each row and is used in hierarchies, filters, and links. Pick the column that best represents the row's title, such as a task name or record ID. Once everything looks good, click Import. Smartsheet will create a new sheet and bring all of your Excel data into it. Your original Excel file stays untouched, so you can always refer back to it. If your file is large, the import might take a moment, but you'll see your data appear as soon as it's ready, fully imported and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully imported data from Excel into Smartsheet. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.